Hi there. I've been thinking a lot about the stories that we tell. I don't mean stories like first this happened and then that happened and then the end. Now, I mean the stories that we tell almost unconsciously, the stories that we use to interpret the world around us. I'll give you an example. For years, I've considered that my work, my job, is as a speaker at events. I get paid to stand on a stage and share ideas with the people that I serve. The thing is, for every hour that I'm on a stage, there are countless hours of other work that have to go in to make that possible for me to be on a stage. Work like marketing and producing and sharing these videos. Thing is, I don't particularly love doing all that other work. I'm lit up by being on a stage. The other stuff is sort of a means to that end. But that's just a story. It's a story that doesn't particularly serve me, because if I see sharing and making and sharing these videos as a necessary evil, well, that story kind of sucks the life out of me. But it's not the only story I can tell. I could tell a different story. And in fact, earlier today, I came up with a different story to describe the exact same circumstance that really changed my energy. The story is this: my job is to help people create more change that matters, to help people challenge their assumptions so they can go out and make changes in the world that will benefit everybody. Everything I do is in support of that job. So when I tell that story, that's energizing. That's exciting. In fact, it was just earlier today that I had that shift of story, and already I'm down here on the beach recording this video for you. I can feel it in my body. When I'm telling that story, it energizes me, it excites me, it gets me out of the house to do stuff. So I've been thinking about this idea of the stories that we tell for a long time, and I've developed a new Keynote, and I'm going to be sharing a whole bunch of videos on this topic in the weeks and months to come. And I'm curious, does this resonate with you? I would love to hear a story of the stories that you tell and how they shape your experiences of reality. So comment below and I promise I will respond. Thanks. Until next time, be well.